In this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the problem where the meta verification is not available on your Instagram account. First open up Instagram app. Then go to our Instagram profile. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. After that you should see a meta verified option. If you don't see this button, then you first need to update your Instagram app from App Store or Google Play Store. For me it says I need to update the app. After that you should see the meta verified option available. If you still don't have that option, to the Help Center we can see different requirements that you have to follow in order to get the meta verification. Maybe meta verification for your country is not available at this time. If this feature isn't available for your country, all you can do is wait a couple of weeks or months. We can see other requirements below. You need to be over 18 years old, have two-factor authentication enabled, and have a government-issued ID. Make sure that your profile matches all of these requirements. Then reinstall the app, and that should fix your issue.